Wednesday. Madam Martin.
Yena.
Akwaba.
Yeah.
Boko, dear baby, free boko.
I'm passionate.
Okay. But I'm a boy, dear.
I'm passionate.
Okay. Black Wednesday, ready, and let's start Bena. At the one, yeah, into a BP doing this.
Maybe pay because maybe some more than a 4 cocoa.
Oh, so Borgana 4 cocoa.
Yes.
FD.
No more ye. Acquire first time so dear was send me our phone soon dear coso.
Okay.
It's number 1.
Okay. Yeah, some business are for Arjun ever so. Which I didn't ask for it.
And the same with the Mia mustn't be a story now. Uncle for Ashes so and ye. Say, Mara lesbianism for 15 years. Hey.
So ban your bar and done. Why you for a few do
15 years.
Wow. What shall I say, bring nobody facing?
Now, Miss Swap, we shall say class 4.
Class 4?
Class 4.
Class 4, dear. I didn't about him. Why did that out?
Not Miss Teacher in the room. My class teacher in the room.
Who teacher near what Chewa did?
Teacher near Cheremia, there were a sorry school.
A sorry school. I have a Ghana.
In Cry.
Huh?
Class 4. Class 4. Internal Menusukwa repeating me 3 times in the class.
Oh, repeating was 3 times in the class.
Said the chairman of menu. Also repeating me.
Okay, so Cranberry soon started.
Started every break time or bed for me. Oh, but now mention here we are met to amount. If I was and be our baby, I met to amount. It continued that way. A time came now, or best so no the Miami sounds so new for. Oh, hold my breast, touch this place. That before I realized, no, not been standing under my pant, Andy. Like,
not in his whole wall.
See, Mika said, I even make attempt to report to my parents one day. And Miss Shasiaka, so teacher, no, chairman, then me pen Asem cry. Oh, before Mika, bang, bang, bang. Yeah, hey, who teach your child, don't pen Asem there.
Well, Mamma one can't say, hey, Mamma thought that would for be no see a mistake, pal. So about time, I cry, can't say one penny teacher, some one young fifi moo. And Miss Asa, I didn't ever mamma for a casa. No, won't bonnet cake. Oh, while kitchen crowd, wow, my make class, can't try crab a walk home. Into that one, dear, a normal, I see in the family. Oh, my dear, what did your child open? If you don't mess with the school, I won't pay continue. Exactly, and through the repetitions, I quite say, in the album, who family went, oh, they would tell you, and say, I didn't be now watching me, I mean, you one, Melinda and Jim one, and no repeating me. Wow. See, I was so sad, I became used to it. Oh, wow, I feel do every night, all day. Befi, or me befi, be family. 4 years, they were think come for him. No, class 4. By then I was yeah, cause 8, 9 years then. And so what? 8, 9 years by then. See, I became used to it, and I wasn't the only student. Baby, MIF for me, Ghana Lesbian Association. Nah. Only one a former association. I wasn't the one that formed it, but it was already formed. A group into school muho. I was school muho, and there were many groups for yeah, for me. See, maybe I used to. So in the group, what do you do? We do a whole lot of things, and in the group, they divided into 4 categories. You're bisexual, you're lesbians, you're almost have your name Mwakwada. Yes, you can send a dog to sleep with you. Ghana. In fact, almost that's almost Ghana. Yes, Ghana. Ghana. I see. I saw for Bimu woman. Police for Mubimu woman, doctors being woman, paying for baby woman. And in the awareness, no member who say, or member perception, say, who said, Yaw and Yaboni, it's your own Bible crowd. The quotations from the Bible. Your more Bible. Or more Bible, and Bible. No. More Bible aside Bible. On member who say, Bianca said, Mary Magdalene, lesbian. Even
said Jesus ni Peter Cra they were gay. You know where the nyanshi. If it's me catch you say Elijah ni Elisha they were even gay. And look on your Bible, they will give you they will make you feel at home as if what you are doing no enough. They are you know who say bonny. Oh, only now one will cry now sister by your back, once by your back, your back by your back. And a course why in a way say was say you go to so within time. I don't know. It will be an natural dear if you are gifted now. Then I'll bet me here. Okay, then go and teach in social school. Or go and teach in social church as an usher, as a Sunday school teacher, go and be a nanny. So some pretend to be nanny in people's houses just to also bring children into that organization. What is it? The Yeshua nanny to be in people's house. Obi wo hwe no otumu so on magos bebre onso ni adaje man kola no so me be hwe on mama na edu o ya sen kola mu ina ko so ama ko so sorry them so we became Sunday school teachers, we became ushers.
Why is Papa Bills doing that? Don't you the show?
Ushers just to
Papa, why are you doing that? No, you saw the show, you are out there and you are making noise and you are part of the noise.
Just to convince Oma ye person mumbe mu no mumbe mu ye pedom say ye pedom mama ye can say the kingdom of God no pedom no sansan ye nso ye pe edom say no ye koye a whole lot of things. Make I say you call obi fear as a nanny.
Yeah.
But the treatment the woman gave us, no, your guilty conscience, crano. Emma, ye jai the Ankane can be a person because now your assignment to be answered totally. Yeah, your bets cry. Oh, mammy, wait, dear, or you're busy, but the mamma dear or time or move. Oh, so we became a nanny in the house. But say, mammy, no pass on your cousin, or where did he? You don't pay no pay all my crano, scanner and doors. But my men near Casa nice, there was nothing like more treatment. It will feel hot. It's not it's like perception na yedi ko hono Casano. The entire ko hono. Anyambe mu yankoye. Ya na ka chema mi so ye. E pese enje juma. O ka bia so ye je juma wanye but e pese nko school. Enti parents no any year nkola no nso no entimi mbon komo hu de ekoso de amike na no nso no during that period na me parenting him what really was going on behind the scene no nim say me go school me teacher and superman say oba fia oba family eko classes obia o sheda fa ho na odinye pie nso no na ye bibina ekoso enye say of family as studies teacher na say way but
a special relation.
Exactly.
Okay, inti kwamba so na oguso ya saade no a wo fa adwene ba so se bia dwuma na wodi.
Mess me aka cho say na me no kasa po de
omo ahu da.
No.
Omo ahu da.
Ama ya wodi enche na ni one character. We change anytime. Inti no aka say me aka say me wa he de. Usa say me suma yen say me ntimi nchira because yeah menu be kasa menu be ya no e bia le pa fofo no menu ntisa.
Okay.
Aha. So no we change. Yeah, enche na ni one particular character me like I just say and I meet this here and I say
oh no o ti bia no na wo ye oba na na be ma no say only on
meet me your oba meet me your bema depending
usually o your oba na o role no say in the bedroom na say o your bema na wo na wo ye de any
oh your bema that means you have to pay
wo na obi tia
exactly
but in the act no like and then you may be say wo na wo your oba na wo na ese so
we do a whole lot of things yes,
and now the way and way
you so no it's me cut off vibrators. You say a whole lot of things. A whole lot of things.
I say
special
why that you say one hour your bear man I say one hour your bear man I in charge. Say yeah, say more person will have your affair and I say we'll make it love.
That particular moment, no, your talking will change, your dressing, way of dressing will even show.
That's outside the bedroom. And when you get to the bedroom, no, how are you in charge as oba? Like here you
whatever
have to be
you say, the other one has to do it for you.
The obeka so pay biya obey.
Obey, I was saying.
Enti sabi you better famous.
Obey.
But ono your bane don't afraid with it. Ono nya na mo be a compliment mo. Ba ko for pen
Ba ko for be. So wo pese ono nya the idea obeka so oh I also want you to do this. Obi obe
fe wan.
Obi so ha onye.
Nti obe fe wan. No fe wan no feeling better. Oyonku ba fe wan feeling better.
The woman say in the period of 15 years I may make a dear. Many of them at now mu da. It makes me like I said there is two difference well being a lesbian and being with a man. No,
what is the feeling in so by kiss so about so much feeling be
but yeah
and there. But so Bema so more Bema so musia system na system no money nanti. Then our young compa
before that one, no, is the mindset.
Into your waging. And you know, arguing to one you would enjoy it. Is that what you're saying? And so you were enjoying it.
Yes, we were enjoying it.
And see, now we are lesbian, no. Most of them pay me, man. I didn't know you to vibrator. Some vibrator or natural bear man,
bisexual phone. Obi wa or year or crew. But Nick couldn't mean certifying.
Pleasure no official and Nick couldn't
mean famano. Why very busy. In a way, say on Yata, we were going to quite far distance. And say, I'm going
and yes, lesbians, no pen me, my bema.
No, a be mon pet at all.
A bit mon pecra, and yes, a own pecra, they won't use vibrators. No, it's you use your hands to play and
you go to imaginations.
Nti omo ene mwa dano so eni je be na wo
omo je no is almost omo mo mbe ma dano as boni ese me ni nyonko ni pa beda jan kama memfa menteni aboamane na abo mo ta pa yusu ye nkraman
adentia
because nkraman the one sign na dey agro 1 2 3 pe or that by the name. So before you play with the manhood no wa okutu a obetimi afa and you try with that? Not really.
Not really. Nice and car. Oh, yeah.
I attempt to buy, but not really.
I see. Now, a boy, no, they want. No, I want you about the good or money.
Exactly.
Wow.
And then,
how would you feel, sir? A boy, a release your goo.
At that moment, you also a boy. It's in the adjoining, but who say, only a boy. Exactly. That moment in the owner.
So if you were enjoying it, why did you stop then?
Yeah, I stopped because of the death of Atamos.
Former president?
Yes.
Why?
You want to shaky a whole lot of people. I would say.
How does that affect the lesbian group?
It's not only the lesbian, even professional, international prostitutes.
How?
Has changed. Because if I'm doing all this for money, and this man who has all the money couldn't survive, then
it cannot.
It can't do anything. See, it's shocked a lot of people, not only us, a lot of like.
See, just young former president who you can is Adam. And
may try say but it was very difficult to stop.
And I saw that for you.
It was no, and now I said yeah, I'm no more. Yes, but let me try and it was very difficult to stop. It wasn't easy. It was just not easy because makes me like I said me die. No be a culture and trouble me. So now later on I find myself in prison. Every kind of we and I okay me and Kasa me head me no be that. Oh, it's a whole lot of temptations are in it. Okay, now person unjaya it takes the grace.
See, how would the parent know saying about me is into a day working? Obey them
who if you are a parent and you communicate with your communication is one of the way I will bet me who say
communication as any kind of like when you have some kind of cranny woman, how would you know?
Only be
are there specific things I will feel say because of experience not say about time who say man a woman. Hey, yeah,
it's not there. There are a whole lot. Yeah, dressing sense who can't
dressing.
Yes, we have a particular of tattoo.
Obey a tattoo.
Yeah.
More rings be on the shaman.
Exactly.
Fingers me moody or hen.
Exactly. No. Second one.
Second one, from Kokromoti and from the
from Kokromoti, the second one.
Wait.
Exactly.
Until you'll be a third ring, Shen Hano, a lesbian.
Met me akasa.
Ufi Kokromoti and Sunday at twice. So we tired the ring, Shen or
and then 9 even chains on the legs.
Yeah, I did be in 9. That's what the ring so Shen and 9.
Yeah, why shan't you be brave?
But it doesn't always mean so be used to be beyond.
No, you are shan't you be brave. The very story is about dyeing the hair multicolored, like
crazy.
But when I say nipa back for niti color, what dye no be say 8, 9.
What dye colors be 8? This one why up just the colors, no. If you are not
just the colors. And
it is for lesbians.
Exactly.
I see.
It is the people who here to in the kingdom, they who catch them say.
To say young footballers, yeah, to down colors now. They no person just we give for now.
Let's back say baby woman we
give for. How would you say that? Oh, evidence. And I say you know of some groups of what would you say? Tell me. I want
example. Even some of the teachers training college some of the students to do some.
Teachers no be
train kolanu
until evidence just say footballers are stars are
oh enyom to four bebre ka ho
to say why body why musa
ipenyi four bebre ka ho
body ba kunya kokodo na bo edin ba
ipenyi four bebre ka ho pastor from yiri mu ka ho oh
to say why musa
because of where the best me aka say me dey take akra I would have loved to mention it.
Football stars.
I would have loved to mention 2 or 3.
Okay, hold on. Hello. Yeah, first thing. Stella, how free here? Stella, how free here? How free here? Okay. Okay. And then I just say with your work and happiness. And then I just say with your show way. And I didn't view. What did you visit? 23. As will be my poet, you can't know I can't remember. Edumabay. You yate. What can I know about studio? Why? Okay. Hello, Afrose. Susanna AJ Kumi. O Frefi hen. O Frefi hen. Makati. And then I just say UTA program we. And then I fa show me home. And then I fa program you home. Any I make sure any more studio, why? I know bo. I'm not for your guy, why? See, I make sure any more. Okay. Alright, Titi ready and been ready. Me no now ready. Lesbianism no assured them more teacher for no 3 training college for footballer for you. Usha Obana seventeen, you know what die color bear 8, bear 6, bear 5, and I saw bear so bear must yes and also come on. Sana over 3.
Pacho.
Also, Mamma so yeah, and I say, or the ring is social and self you could go within a daily time, but we turn and sun and 9 and half wire. Sana men in our so glad as after say, hey, lesbianism in church, are we safe? And the boatma be queen, or so till we could point Akuapem. Glad is coming so I enjoy program no pa and I see. It's about one so. Sister Asem wa dia bay. Ebe na so de dey na oka. Sister no say why lesbian for 15 years na enema oko mu ni teacher ni na di ni room at the level of what's in our class 4, right? Okay, indeed. Sabe bebe. Hello. Hello. Pacho, and a Black Wednesday it's you.
I am away at the Pilumo.
I know, boss. Okay, it's you.
Tina, of course, no, the Biana Mitipa.
Yeah, that's and a Black Wednesday, mamma, Asem, no, then I'll come from. But a cosso. A hard Jane. A hard Jane, and sometimes I'm poor a preaching against Sadia Wimpono, Uber Cosumas and no money. Gay issue banner who so be not damn. Uber common no plan gay. Lesbians for issue back. No, but not radio TV so no can't yen tuna semi idea one so cran a chance on a man. Et to say, oh baby, near pie crown full. Yeah, broke crown for now, and baby no more bono can somebody on last negus no more tire crown for. Inti, I serious, so until I had this and never go away to me to not say free and tell because yeah, hypocrites. You pretended too much. Yeah, so me yes, I'm preaching against it. It is also for, and that's what be a preacher say, and sign yet. Well, for the ones when Cecily come up on the office, I don't want no more. Will be say my pen yet. One also pen my cratching will be a. Was say two brand yet, and so no go just circle. So name put for their 10. When you wait, done with that, but to whom will be as our friend as our. And the serious, ever say. Yeah, first say. But meet you. Meet you.